How fun. So, we're starting one, but guess what? We're starting one where I physical seeing junk. How often does that happen? But yeah, the current time is 9 minutes past 12. Oh, by the way, I got this watch going again. See, the clip's a bit angled, but it still works. So, continue to use it. I mean, I'm not going to buy another strap until it actually breaks, because, well, I don't know. There's money I don't need to spend. So it's not YouTube. This is vlog is currently which is it? 62%. Yeah, 62. So, what's going on today? Well, I need to film my weekly update for my secondary channel. So, probably when we're done this clip here, most likely just gonna go start writing down the shit for that. So, fun. I don't think, other than like work, I don't know if I mentioned this on the previous vlog or not, but I'm working. So I've worked Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. So I've still got Monday and after today I'll still have the Monday, Tuesday shifts to deal with. So that's, that's all good and fun. Yeah, just put back there a bit. But yeah, I'll wash it and probably put dry shampoo on it, I'm not sure. Or who knows, maybe I'll just end up washing it. I don't bloody know that. Fun. Not the hair thing, just today I can't be bothered working tonight, to be honest. Like, you're right, going for those people who don't have a hell of a lot harder enough to work all day, every day of the week, and probably just to earn a little bit amount of money. So, don't get me wrong, I'm like very grateful for my situation. Yeah. To fix my hair a bit. Right, the other vlog is currently pop up here. 64% match, so let's see. I estimate that I'll be up within like the next hour or so. When fix my hair, this is why I don't vlog you, or sorry, this is why I stopped showing myself in the first clip. That's why so. Anyway, let's go. Well, the tiniest drop, like I need to buy more. I can't work up, maybe before I go and work, I don't know. I'm realising I'm putting a lot on an empty bottle. I'm definitely some sort of retarded. Great, I think I just offended half the audience. Yeah, I'm going to find some donuts on YouTube. Every Lego Star Wars 22 is a week or set releasing this year. I'm sorry, but you know what I have to say on that, because last year, January 20th, like I've said many times before, was when the March set, the pics for the March sets came out. So, no one knows, maybe there's actually been pictures leaked of the sets. Because, I'm gonna be honest, I am actually cannot wait. Like, the only thing I've seen is like the minifigures, but they're like kinda unfinished, so I'm gonna watch that. While I'm watching that, I'll be writing down the points for my weekly update, and then I'll update you guys, and I'll film that, and we'll go from there. So, yeah, I'll see you guys after this. So, might be a bit late on this, but yeah, that's my stupidity level for you. So, it turns out the most I'm allowed now on my phone is 55 minutes of vlog time, which makes sense because I had to recently install apps and stuff for college, but I can reassess that anytime I need to. So, I've written down my points. It's an 8-point update. I have not filmed it yet. I'm watching this amazing cinematic of a Tatooine walk. And Tatooine's a planet that I really like. Like, it's got all these shelf stuff. And then I've got a couple more things over there, so I think that shows it. Today's weather, by the way, is smoke. It's just me who saw that. I don't know. So I need to neaten up the place for the update. You know, those bricks are the pain of my existence because I've not cleaned them up yet, and I really should. God, right. So this side's fine. So I'll just get the bed and come over here that I need to sort. See, I need to leave for work in like 2.5 hours. I'm just putting that out there. And that time to shower, get dressed, eat and do the dishes. So there's that. Because after I film that and while it's uploading, I am gonna eat and do those other things. So 1 second, all of this shall be clean. And there we go, it's decently sorted. The bed isn't a problem because only a couple of things. I'm gonna turn this lamp off though. Wasting the electricity. Yeah. I'm actually gonna quickly go to the toilet and then I will be back to close this up. Well, it's about gone down time I'll wrap this up. So yeah, I'm gonna go do the update video for the weekly one and get that sorted out of the way. So should go quickly enough. Ooh, red. Well, so I'm gonna go film the update and then I'm gonna go eat. So yeah, see you in an hour or so. So it's currently 14 minutes past 2, so I need to leave in like an hour and 15 minutes. Honestly, like, I don't mind working multiple days in a row. I mean, like none of my college days this week have work at the same day, so it's like that's multiple days where I can actually go text up my friends and go, hey, listen, I might actually see my friends a bit more this week. No complaints. Obviously, it'd be nice to have them, see them on the weekend, but it doesn't work out. So I've just come off from going on the Workforce app, which is like our app for like checking your shifts, checking your schedule, and all that fine stuff. And basically, what I've done, is I've requested March 10th, March 11th, March 12th, March 13th, and March 14th. I've requested those days off work. Obviously, my birthday is the 10th of March, and I'd like a few days off, plus me and Corey want to go to the Lego store, so that works out perfectly. So I've got to clean up this damn mess though. So yeah, I was watching some of this live stream again. I like to watch a lot of other people's Lego walks, and some of them are pretty darn cool. This whole thing is a gap underneath it, and it's being able to put this Lego chain link size. That's something else, to be honest. Still got my dishes to do. I have eaten. That video should be uploaded by now, so I can erase it from my phone. Other than that, I've not got too much else planned. Yesterday's vlog turned out to be 23 minutes long? Yeah. That might be great for some people, like, oh, it's short today, but to me it's like, oh no, you've not tried hard enough. You need to try harder. Again, I don't know why, but today it looks slightly okay, but I guarantee you, at one point or the other, it gets busted and absolutely raining. So that's fun. Yeah. Tell you one thing, no Michael buying challenge is a pain in the ass when eBay kept saying, oh, I found this based on research, which is like fucking good deals as well. Because my main collection goal other than these new sets is to continue my whole buy all the 2012 sets, so I've got 3 of them in the last year. That's because I wasn't working at one point and I did buy other new sets. Like, the 2012 buying all the sets is kind of like half of a project thing I'm doing, the rest of them is also like buy any other sets, so it's kind of 50-50. The biggest one I own so far, the 2012 Jabba's Palace. I have the planet for it back there, from the Naboo planet, and it's Starfighter and its plaque, so that's one set. And the other 2012 set is here, and it's the Droid Escape, so pretty cool. And I'm only buying them if they've got the box, because I'm kind of enjoying it from this kind of. I won't get every 25 box up here, but you know, it's gonna go on the majority of get it up here. I love the Darth Maul logo. So, yeah, work. I actually cannot be bothered with in the slightest. I do not know what manager it will be on, and I hope to fuck it's not who I think it is. Honestly, please just no. I've never vlogged inside my work properly. Like, I've never actually went around the whole place and shown it. Who knows? Maybe next time me and Chloe are in there, I'll have a quite bit of footage. But to show you, give you a reference, right, how big the fucking aisles are, and then like how quick she expects them done. It's just like, no, I'm not being a sexist pig like some people have suggested. There's literally what, there's 3 other female managers and 2 male managers in there. They're fine. So it's not a sexist comment as certain people are like, oh, you've been a sexist pig. Oh, fuck off. Ugh. But yeah, I'm just rambling here because I need to use my time a bit more wisely. So shower, yes. Hair, no. Tonight, or maybe on the way, I'll try Tesco first. See, I'm going to buy a shampoo, right, but I'm going to buy one that's a conditioner as well, or just buy both. Because I actually need to start using conditioner in my hair. So you'll have to sort that one out. One thing I'm thinking about doing in February, right, and maybe a possible, this is just like a random idea that I've been willing to take further. Here's the idea. Possible movie review, right? Because me and Cody want to go see Jackass Forever in the cinema. Me and him are not old enough, we're not old enough to have seen any of the previous Jackass movies in the cinema. See Jackass 1, 2002, I wasn't even born yet. I was born 2003. Jackass number 2 came out 2006, so I was only 3. And the one after that, by the way, I'm not counting the 2.0 or anything, or 3.0, whatever those other ones are. I don't think those were in cinemas. And Jackass 3 came out in 2010 when I was 7. So, yeah. And I don't think they're going to do another Jackass movie after this. I think this will be their actual final. The reason it took them so long is because, one of their cast members did die. So you can kind of see why they took so long to get to make another one. 12 years at this point. So, cannot wait to go see that. Funny enough, my dad actually works at this company, that's his truck out there. And he's able to get the movie posters from bus stops. So, I'll just wait. I was asking him if I could get the one for Jackass Forever. So, I don't know if they're going to put a Jackass Forever posters in the bus stops. It's meant to come out in February yet. They've got posters for other stuff that's coming out in February. So, are they not making one? Because, I don't know, maybe it's just the bus stops I'm at. But, I've been on the lookout for those, and hopefully that turns up. That search is actually worth it. So it's currently 20 past. I will have to leave in literally 1 hour and 10 minutes. So, I'm not going to get dressed into other clothes. I'm getting dressed straight into my work uniform. Also, I found the t-shirt. I had misplaced it. So, yeah. That's really about it. That's all I've really got to say. So, anyway, I'll be showering, and I'm going to shower probably at 3 o'clock. Yeah, I'm going to hold off till 3 for that. Ooh, that's a nice ass car down there. Yeah, anyway, enough pointing camera at cars. Yeah, I'll do that at 3 o'clock. I think in 10 minutes at past. I'm going to go check my dishes situation. I don't think there's many because my stepmom done the ones from last night, which makes things a hell of a lot easier, to be honest. Although the general deal is if I'm working at night, or if I'm working in general, she does them since I'm not here to do them. Anyway guys, I will see you either right before I leave or as I'm going to the bus stop. Most likely, I don't know which one, but probably one of the two. Anyway, see you then. So it's 30 minutes past 4, so I have an hour till work, so gonna do my usual, just gonna pop into Asda, see what's reduced, if there's nothing good, I'll have to go in there later. Anyway, I did have a look in Tesco. See, I always find the selection in there to be a bit, like, some things is good in Tesco, but a lot of things at the same time are just meh, but it's not good. Stop and start. Ugh. Honestly, I still cannot be bothered with work today. I just can't, and that's how I'm feeling about it. So I think I'll keep the camera going maybe till I get to. I'm not sure. This will probably be the only clip I do before going into work, and then I don't know. I've not vlogged coming out of work for a little while. Maybe. Well, I mean, like the actual walk out to the bus stop. I know I do it when I go into Asda. I don't know. Until 9:30, I have no fucking clue what manager I need to deal with, and that causes anxiety. Because, like I've mentioned, one of them is just awful. And I don't want to deal with you. Fuck off. Well. Bus stop buffet. Exposed. Anyway, I think I'll vlog till I walk past these traffic lights. I'll cut the camera, then I'll see you guys. Probably I might get some Asda footage. Probably, I don't know. Decisions. I almost didn't make a cut before going to work. I was like, no, you have to do this. You're forgetting shit. Don't do that. That's not great. It's not ideal with trying on the YouTube channel. Is it? Shit. Someone's shit. I don't know, I'm just commentating randomly. It's like the only cool shot in this vlog will probably be this. Yeah. I'm not saying a lot of lampposts, the bottom covers are all pulled off already. What the fuck? Rife is vandalism's rife.
The WhatsApp's going to ask you.
Turns out I don't make these properly. So I didn't make an update coming out of work. I got up 9:30, got on the bus at 10:15. It's currently 11:15. So yeah, about an hour ago. I'm just in my room. I've been to the toilet. I've got my food. I've got my pasta there. Believe it or not, that's actually called sloppy Joe pasta. So we're going to close the blinds. Reason for not updating, I was on the damn phone. Oh, by the way, I got quite the haul from Asda for super cheap. Well, some of it was. These are fruit in them as well, they're really nice. Okay, so that's the cheap part. That was only. I did have a second one. I ate it. So that was about what? That would have only been 40 pence on one. I did get some cans, but they were only they were standard price. Got myself some milk, standard price. Shampoo, standard price. And I also got some conditioner, so yeah, discount the whole time. Let's get rid of it. No, I put it away, so the shampoo I'll just put here for now. I'll go grab the conditioner. Move the bag. Just probably turn that on. That's a lot of cheap ass food. Hopefully this one's not 23 minutes goddamn long. It needs to be longer. There we go. I also got my pasta, so let's find something to watch. Let me mute the TV.
Auction their fair share of vehicles with a purpose. Vehicles kitted out with
That was loud. And yeah, hang those up. So let's see what's here. Week 28. Do you know what? I watched the Lego thing after I watched this, so let's see, it's currently 20 minutes past. So here am I. It's 5 minutes until 1 in the morning, so it's 55 minutes past 12. Let's end this one out. So, I finished that ages ago. In fact, I've just been munching on all my snacks. But yeah, just been watching Mario Horton Farmer Oven, and so yeah, just got to sort my spread out so I catch what's sleeping it. Just gonna move some things. So yeah, quickly sort these out. Right, okay, so before I change what's crossing the day off the channel, so I'm still on my uniform. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. I've done this challenge for 11 days. Pen. And those are everywhere. Time to change over these damn quotes. So it's perfectly because clicked over at 1 in the morning. I'm going to set an alarm. Alexa, set an alarm for 10 a.m.
Alarm set for 10 a.m.
Put my work stuff up. Perfect. So I wish I'd put this in that way because I forgot to take it to work and it was annoying. I'll remember tomorrow. Still wish I'd like sorted out all of this stuff. Some of these bricks are super dusty as well. I cleaned them before I organized them. So, anyway. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Hopefully it wasn't as short as the last one. So yeah, tomorrow, pretty much the same thing. And Tuesday, well, today's Monday now actually. But I'm saying tomorrow because it's in the next vlog. So the Monday and Tuesday vlogs will be the same as the last couple of days. No real difference. Different one you guys are getting, it'll be different. Sure. Will be the Wednesday edition, so look forward to that. This shelf, I'm realising how super goddamn dusty it is. And I think think after college on Wednesday, imagine I might redo my shows. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace out.